Hello class 10, good morning. In today's class, we are going to start sorting. So what is a sorting? It is a system in which elements of an array is arranged in a specific order, that is ascending order or descending order. So sorting is the system of arranging array elements in a specific order. So a specific order means in ascending order or descending order. If the arrays are of numbers, it is a number array. It is the number array. The numbers will be arranged either in ascending order, small to big, or in descending order, big to small. And if it is character, then it will be arranged alphabetically. Or if it is the name or words, names or words. So this arrays will be arranged alphabetically according to alphabets from A to Z. The names will be arranged alphabetically, like our contact list in our mobile. In contact list in our mobiles, the names are stored, contacts are stored alphabetically. The same way arrays will be sorted. So arrays are mainly sortings are of two types: selection sort and bubble sort. So in our reduced syllabus this time we have only the bubble sort. So what is a bubble sort? In this technique the array is sequentially scanned. Array is sequentially scanned means one number is compared with other several times, and during each iteration the pair of consecutive elements are compared and interchanged to bring them into the specific order, that is ascending or descending. So what happens in the bubble sort? It is very popular sorting, arranging the data. First element is compared with the second. If second element is smaller than the first one, then the second elements come to the first place. Then second and third is checked, and this process is continued. The consecutive elements are checked. See this example. Suppose we have an array 9, 6, 24, 3, 11, 45, 2 and 50. So see, first two elements will be scanned sequentially or checked. You can see this 9 is smaller than the 6. We are going to arrange the array in ascending order, smaller to bigger. So 9 is smaller than the 6. So 6 will come to the first place, 9 will go to the second place. It will be interchanged. Right? After that, 9 and 24. So 9 is already smaller than 24. So there will be no change. There will be no interchange. Third, 6, 9, 24. So 6 and 9 two numbers are arranged. Now 24 and 3. The 24 is bigger than the 3. So 3 comes to the 24 place, 24 comes to the 3 place. It will be interchanged. Okay. Now 3 and 24 are interchanged. So now 24 and 11 will be checked. 24 and 11 will be checked. You can see 24 is bigger than the 11. So 11 will come to 24 place, 24 will come to the 11 place. They will be interchanged. Now 24 and 45, 24 is already small, so no change. Now 45 and 2. 45 and 2, see 45 is bigger than the 2, so 2 will come to the 45 place, 45 comes to the 2 place. So 2 comes here, 45 comes here. Now 45 and 15. The 15 is smaller than 45, 45 is bigger than 15, so 15 comes to 45 place and 45 comes to the 15 place. So this is the first pass. After that, again from the beginning, both the elements should be scanned, checked. 9 is bigger than now from here again we check 6 is bigger than 9. No check. 9 is bigger than 3. Yes, 3 comes to 9 place, 9 comes to the 3 place. Like this process will be continuously repeated for several times till all the numbers are not arranged in proper order, that is ascending or descending order. This was the example of ascending order. Now let us discuss the programs based on the bubble sort. Now see the programming question on bubble sort, that how to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Question is to write a program to accept 10 numbers in an array randomly, any 10 numbers small and big, and arrange them in ascending order. So public class bubble sort, we have declared an array int a new int 10 size 10 I J T, I outer loop, J inner loop, T to swap the number. To swap the number means to interchange the number. Okay. For I equal to 0, I less than I plus plus, system out print and enter a number. In this loop, we are inputting 10 numbers in the array. So array is declared and we have stored 10 numbers in the array by using this loop. Now we are going to do the sorting. Now see this loop carefully. I equal to 0, I less than 9, I plus plus. J equal to 0, J less than 9 minus I, J plus plus. So we are running the loop from 0 till 8 plus. Why till 8 plus only? Because when the J value is 8, then 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. So I value is 0. J value is 0. So J equal to 0 and J less than 9 minus I value is 0. The 9 minus 0 means 9 only. So less than 9 means loop will run 0 to 8. Loop will run from where to where? 0 to 8. Now check. If AJ means A0, J value is 0, greater than AJ plus 1. J plus 1 means 0 plus 1, 1. The A0 is greater than A1. So what is A0? See this array. So what is A0? At A0 plus 9 is there. And 0 plus 1, A1. At A1 plus 6 is there. So 9 is greater than 6. This 9 is greater than 6. Condition true. So computer will execute these 3 lines. These 3 lines are called the swapping line, interchanging line. It interchanges the values of two variables, two consecutive values. How T equal to AJ? The J value is 0. The T equal to A0. The 0 plus what is there? 9 is there. Look here. The T equal to 9. T equal to what? T equal to 9. Once again see. T equal to A0. The A0 means AJ means 0. The T equal to A0. A0 plus what is there? 9 is there. The T equal to 9. Now AJ means A0. AJ means A0 equal to AJ plus 1. So J value is 0. 0 plus 1, A1. So at A1 plus what is there? At A1 plus 6 is there. So at A0 plus what came? 6 came. Look here, A0 plus what came? 6 came. Again AJ plus 1. The J plus 1 is 0 plus 1, A1. So at A1 plus T will be stored. What is value of T? T value is 9. The A1 plus 9. Now see, A0 plus we had 9. Now it has become 6. And A1 plus we had 6, now it has become 9. That means both the numbers are interchanged. That means here now we have got the 9, here we have got the 6. Both the values are interchanged. Alright, now once again it goes for the next J. The next J will be 1. Next J will be 1. If A1 is 9. A1 is what? 9. Greater than AJ plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. At 2 plus what is there? 24 is there. So 9 is greater than 24. No. Condition false. So these 3 lines will not execute. Means the values will not be swapped. Okay. Again it goes for the next J. Next J will be 2. So A2 plus what is there? 24 is there. And 2 plus 1, 3. And A3 plus what is there? 3 is there. So 24 is greater than 3. Yes. Now again T equal to AJ. The AJ value is 2. AJ value is what? 2. So here comes 24. And A0 plus what will come? A2 plus what will come? A2 plus will come 3. And at A0, 1, 2, 3. A3 plus what will come? A3 plus will come 24. Now see, 3 has come to 24 plus 24 has come to the 3 plus. Again, go for the next J. Next J will be 3. If A3 is what? 20. Now we already changed 3 and 24. So A3 plus what is there? 24 is there. And 3 plus 1, 4. So what is here? 11 is there. So 24 is greater than 11. Yes. So again we will change. Now 24 and 45. 24 is greater than 45. No. So no change. Again 45 and 2. 45 is greater than 2. Yes. Again these 3 lines will execute. And 2 comes to 45 place. 45 goes to the 2 place. Okay. Then again at last
15 and 45. 45 is greater than 15. 15 comes to the 45 place and 45 comes to the 15 place. So this is the first pass. Again, go for the next I. Next I will be 1. Next I will be what? 1. Again, j equal to 0. J less than 9 minus 1. The 9 minus 1 till 7 times it will go. If aj means a0. What is a0? 6. The 6 is greater than 9. No. 9 is greater than 3. Yes. The 3 comes to A1 place and 9 goes to A2 place. So what you have noticed, this process is repeated several times till this condition is true, and automatically all the numbers will be sorted in ascending order, smaller to bigger, and finally array is printed. So this program needs a lot of practice. So you practice for 4-5 times and do it. Thank you.